Welcome back to Amazing Car, where we explore the world of automobiles, and today, we have something truly extraordinary to showcase. In 2025, the world of luxury motorhomes has taken a giant leap forward, and we are about to dive into one of the most sophisticated and well-crafted motorhomes available today. Get ready for an in-depth exploration of this 2025 luxurious motorhome, its interior, design, performance, and the history that has brought it to this point. When you first step into this motorhome, you are immediately greeted with an atmosphere of pure elegance. The interior design is a seamless blend of modern luxury and innovative technology. The floor is covered in rich, polished hardwood that glistens under soft, ambient lighting, creating a cozy yet sophisticated vibe. Every detail has been meticulously crafted, from the plush seating upholstered in fine leather to the custom-built cabinetry that offers both beauty and practicality. You'll notice the attention to detail in every corner, with high-end materials used throughout, such as marble countertops, stainless steel finishes, and sleek, touch-responsive screens integrated into the walls. One of the standout features of this motorhome is its expansive living space. With an open-plan layout, the living area feels much larger than you'd expect from a vehicle. The central lounge area features a state-of-the-art entertainment system with a large LED screen, surround sound speakers, and even a retractable projector for movie nights. This space can easily transform into a dining area as well, with a full-size dining table that comfortably seats 4 adults, perfect for enjoying a meal on the road. The kitchen, fully equipped with premium appliances like an induction cooktop, a large fridge, and a built-in oven, is a chef's dream. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a gourmet meal, this kitchen has everything you need. Moving towards the bedroom area, you'll find a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress that offers supreme comfort. The bed sits beneath a panoramic window, allowing you to wake up to breathtaking views every morning. The room is furnished with plenty of storage space, including a walk-in closet, which is quite rare in motorhomes. High-tech climate control ensures the interior remains at the perfect temperature, regardless of the weather outside. The bedroom is also equipped with ambient lighting, giving you the option to adjust the mood to your liking. This motorhome doesn't just impress with its aesthetics, its performance is equally remarkable. Powered by an electric hybrid engine, it offers an eco-friendly yet powerful driving experience. The motorhome can easily reach speeds of up to 90 miles per hour. And thanks to its advanced suspension system, the ride is incredibly smooth, even on bumpy terrain. With a range of over 500 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for long-distance travel without worrying about constant refueling. Now, let's talk about the history and legacy that has led to the creation of this motorhome. The evolution of luxury motorhomes began several decades ago, but it was only in the last few years that manufacturers really started pushing the envelope, with better designs, advanced materials, and high-end features becoming the norm. The 2025 model we're reviewing today is the result of years of innovation and craftsmanship. It represents the pinnacle of luxury and convenience on the road. In conclusion, the 2025 luxury motorhome is the perfect combination of comfort, style, and performance. Its interior offers a first-class living experience, with every detail thoughtfully designed to make your journey as enjoyable as possible. Whether you're heading out on a cross-country road trip or simply enjoying a weekend getaway, this motorhome will ensure that every moment spent inside is an unforgettable experience. Thanks for joining us on this tour, and be sure to subscribe to Amazing Car for more incredible reviews and insights into the world of automobiles.